What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Jack's Kicks. Today we got a cool unboxing, man. It's of the Supreme Nike Air Max hat here. Right here we got it, man. So let's just go ahead and take a look at everything, man. Also, make sure you guys check out my main channel, Jack's Gaming. Link will be in the description down below. By the way, with all the videos that I do here on Jack's Kicks, all the unboxings, if you guys want to know the retail price for all the items that I get, it'll be in the description down below, and with the description of what the details of the story behind all that. So if you guys wanted to know that stuff, just wanted to let you guys know. But we get our Supreme sticker here. As you guys can see, looks really nice. Our plain sticker that we always get. And we also have the other sticker here. And here's what the back of it says. Pretty cool stuff. All right. And here we have the hat. Now, this was supposed to be a 2-in-1 video of also the Air Maxes, but they will not ship until later on this week. So stay tuned to the channel for that. But we have the hats here, and here it is in the packaging. And wow, well, I haven't even opened it up, and it looks way better in hand than I thought. Wow. Okay, cool. Nice. So there it is. Look at that. I got you guys here on Jack's Kicks. Here, a look at the hats, man. Look at that. Got the Supreme right here. There's a look at the Supreme hat right there. You guys can see the Supreme right there. Got the embroidered Nike logo. Here's the side. It says Nike Supreme. That's fire. It says Supreme with the Nike logo on the back, and this is Air Max on the back. And here's the other side. Pretty blank. And here's what the inside looks like as well. You can see the Air Max embroidery and stuff like that, and it has the Nike and Supreme logo on it too, which is fire. So yeah, like I said, I was supposed to do the Air Maxes alongside with this as well, but did not get them in time, so that will be next week. So if you guys stay tuned to the channel next week, you guys will be able to see the unboxing for that. And can you guys guess which color I got? My favorite color, if you guys know it, is yellow/gold. So you guys know how I roll. So yeah, and it is a Velcro as well on the back, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Velcro strap here. So I want to let you guys know about that. I do need a haircut, so please don't mind that. But yeah, here's the hat. It looks way better in hand than I thought. In hand, it looks way better. I don't think the video might do it justice because of the coloring, but it is a nice tone yellow. I don't think that this is like a super loud yellow. It's just the perfect fit. This is a perfect yellow, and it works out. Nice Nike on it as well. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, man. Looks really nice. One thing I was wondering, like, I wasn't the biggest fan of the little gray part here, because yeah, I know it should match the tracksuit that came with it, but I was hoping that they could have like an all yellow. I think the all yellow would have been nice, just like how the black is all black on black. But seeing it in hand, I kind of like it. Or at least they could have made it white. They probably could have made this part white. It would have been better. Yeah. If they would have made this gray part white, it would have been 10 times better. But I still like it a lot, and this will be a hat that I rock normally. I can see myself rocking this a lot, especially since I love yellow. So this will definitely be something that I use in the rotation of hats that I have as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Obviously, once I get a haircut, it'll fit on me better too as well. But it's really nice, really good stuff here. As you guys can see here, man, I really do like this hat a lot. It feels very comfortable, very light on the head. And also it has like these little flaps here as well. That's really cool. Gives it like a sports type of vibe. Has a little flap here, so that's really nice. And then you just put the hat on, and bam, that's pretty much it. That's it. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Got you guys covered with more Supreme unboxings and other shoes and stuff like that as well. Stay tuned to the channel. We got a lot more videos dropping very soon, so you don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm signing out. Peace.